Today is day 27 of my 100% home-raised food challenge, where everything I eat this entire month is homegrown, nothing bought from the store. And for dinner, I'm cooking a very special meal. It's called a Turducken. If you've never heard of a Turducken before, it's basically a deboned turkey with a chicken and a duck cooked inside. That's what we have here. Now this has to be one of the smallest turkeys you've ever seen, and there's a reason for that. I raised the turkey, the duck, and the chicken from tiny babies. I've already posted full videos showing you how I raised these birds for meat. If you want to see the full process, I'll put a link down below. Well, here are the 3 birds we're going to use to make our turducken. We have our Muscovy duck and our chicken. I'm going to set these to the side. We're going to take meat off them and stuff them inside our turkey. So the first step now is to debone it. To do that, we're going to very carefully cut down the back and start filleting off the meat. Okay, we have our carcass deboned. This will make a great stock. And now we have our mostly deboned turkey. We still have the drumsticks and the wings, but all the other bones are removed. We're going to sew this back up once we stuff it with our duck and our chicken. Here's our duck, and we're going to go ahead and fillet off some meat. We have our duck breast we're going to put inside our turducken, and I'm going to render the fat on this carcass and enjoy some of the leg meat. We also might make another duck neck sausage. And we have our chicken. We'll go ahead and take the breast meat off of that as well. Again, we're going to make either a soup or some chicken stock. And here's the cuts of meat that are going inside the turducken. We have the duck and the chicken. We're now going to stuff and sew up our turkey with the duck and chicken meat. Also homemade stuffing. If you saw my video from 2 days ago on Christmas, I made completely homemade stuffing. We're going to use this along with the other meat. Place some stuffing in there, some nice duck, some nice chicken. This almost feels like a weird taxidermy project. And now we're going to bring the pieces of the meat together and sew them up with some butcher twine. We'll just tie this together and continue stitching it. Well, I did my best to completely sew up our turkey. Inside it's full of chicken and duck meat along with stuffing. Our turducken actually looks pretty good. Let's go cook it on the grill. Our grill has been heated up, so we'll place our turducken right in there. Close it up. Our turducken has been cooking for over 2 hours. We'll go ahead and temp it. In the very center, it's 170 degrees. That is perfect. Well, here's my day 27 dinner. The turducken looks pretty amazing. And the crazy thing is there's no bones in here other than the wings and the drumsticks. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut this in half to get a cross section. There we have it. We have duck meat, chicken meat, turkey meat, and stuffing. Well, that turducken was really tasty. It's a lot of work, but it was a fun recipe. Do you like the turkey? It tastes like turkey. Now tomorrow we have a special recipe. We are cooking duck prosciutto ham. So we're going to try that tomorrow. You're invited for dinner. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. She has an apple in her mouth. See you later.